All right, so here's what I'm running into, okay? I took the harness back out of the dash for the Terminator kit, and I couldn't get this through the firewall because the way Holley Terminator wiring harness is, they have the cheap Chinese one where you can't just unplug the connector from the back of the, you can't unplug the terminal from the back of the connector. You have to pull the wire all the way through. They don't have the real good ones where you can actually just remove this and press the clip in the back and just remove the connector. So now what I have to do is I probably have, well, I know I'm going to make that hole bigger, and now I'm going to have to get a bulkhead pass through, which is probably the best thing to do anyways, because I don't like them sharp edges, and this is kind of cheesy. So yeah. If you're wondering why I have 3 spacers, that's because I have a 2-inch spacer plate coming, and I had that one specially made. It's going to take, you know, he says it's going to take about 4 weeks, so I don't know. We'll see. But I'm trying to get that line of sight to the valve. That's another video. And yeah, so that's where I'm at with this. I pulled that